Friends, how are you? By blessings of God, you are doing well. This is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Fakirmodi University, Vyasabihar, Balasore, Odisha. Once again, I am welcoming to all of you to Dr. A B JENA classes. Friends, today we are going to discuss the 30 multiple choice question from the business law, from the marketing law. And so far as this discussion, so this discussion is very useful and fruitful to the students of particularly UG and PG students of commerce, management, PMR and other related subjects, as well as the law subjects also. So friends, without delay, we will start our discussion. And friends, for your kind information, I have already posted part 1 from the business law as well as the corporate law. So kindly go through the part 1 of posted video. So it's the part 2 from the business law. Friends, without delay, we will start our discussion. Friends, each and every MCQ, you will get 4 MCQ, 4 options. Out of the 4 options, so one will be the right option or right answer for the respective MCQ. Friends, so all 30 MCQs are very useful and fruitful and vital so far as so these MCQs will be helpful in your exam, either in the fill in the blanks or one or two sentences questions or short questions. Friends, so first one MCQ, Right to Information Act, RTI Act is which year? Or RTI Act is A 2003, B it's 2004, C it's 2005, D it's 2006. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So RTI Act is 2005. Friends, for your kind information, I have already posted one video, very interesting video. So Indian Important Acts and Year of Act so far as that is the commerce, management and other related subjects. So kindly go through the posted video, definitely you will know more and more. So second one MCQ, dash or which does not coming under the definition of information under the RTI Act 2005. A. It's data materials held in electronic form. B. It's file noting in the process. C. It's circular. D. It's notice. Friends, so B, the file noting in the process does not come under the definition of information under the RTI Act 2005. So right option is B. So next one MCQ, the RTI application is addressed to whom, or RTI will be applied to whom? A. It's public information officer. B. It's law minister. C. It's the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. D. It's the Chief Justice of High Court. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. A. So RTI application is addressed to public information officer. PIO. So next one MCQ, a contract of indemnity is a what or dash? A. It's a contingent contract. B. It's a wagering contract. C. It's a quasi contract. D. It's a void contract. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. A contract of indemnity is a contingent contract. So right option is A. So next one MCQ, the Consumers Protection Act is which year or that? A. It's 1984. B. It's 1985. C. It's 1986. D. It's 1987. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So Consumer Protection Act is 1986. So next one MCQ, what is the time limit for filing the complaints? A. It's within 1 year. B. It's within 2 years. C. It's within 3 years. D. It's within 4 years. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So the time limit is how much? It's within 2 years to file the complaints. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, dash or which is or dash is the standardized mark of jewelry. A. It's 22 carats. B. It's ISI. C. It's hallmark. D. It's all the above. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. C. Hallmark is the standardized mark on a jewelry. So next one MCQ. A consumer has the rights to get compensation against unfair trade practices under the right to what? A. It's a right to select. B. It's a right to seek redressal. C. It's a right to safety. D. It's a right to halt. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. A consumer has the rights to get the compensation against the unfair trade practices under right to seek redressal. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. Consumer Protection Act is applicable to dash. A. It's only government business. B. It's only the private business. C. It's all type of business dealing with the goods and services. Deals with the goods and services. D. It's none of these. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So Consumer Protection Act is applicable all types of business, whether it may be the government business, non or private business, those who are dealing or deal with the goods and services. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. The World Consumer Rights Day is observed on which day? A. It's March 12. B. It's March 13. C. It's March 14. D. It's March 15. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. World Consumer Rights Day is observed on March 15 every year. So next one MCQ. All dash are not contracts, but all contracts are the what? Option A. It's offers, acceptance. B. It's agreements, acceptance. C. It's agreements. D. It's consideration, acceptance. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So all agreements are not contracts, but all contracts are the agreements. So it's a very interesting. Again I am repeating, all agreements are not contracts, but all contracts are the agreement. So next one MCQ. Agreement is equal to, in mathematical equation, agreement is equal to offer plus what? Or what plus offer is equal to agreement. A. It's a contract. B. It's acceptance. C. It's a consideration. D. It's a law. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So agreement is equal to what? Offer plus acceptance. Offer plus acceptance, or acceptance plus offer is equal to agreement. So right option is the B. So next one option. A specific offer is accepted by whom? A. Any person. B. Person the whom it is made. C. It's a friend of offerer. D. It's a friend of offeree. Friends, so the right option is the B. The specific order is accepted by the person the whom it is made. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. An agreement made without consideration is what? A. It's void. B. It's voidable. C. It's that is the valid. D. It's invalid. Friends, so B is A is the right option for this MCQ. An agreement made without consideration is void. So next one MCQ. A contingent contract is what? A. It's invalid. B. It's valid. C. It's voidable. D. It's void. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. A contingent contract is valid. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. A contract of a guarantee. A contract of a guarantee. The person to whom the guarantee is given is called as or known as what? A. It's that is the principal debtor. B. It's creditor. C. It's indemnifier. D. It's guarantor. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. B. A contract of a guarantee. The person to whom the guarantee is given is known as creditor. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. The position of the finder of lost goods is that of a what? A. It's Bailor, B it's Bailee, C it's Creditor, D it's that is the COT. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The position of the finder of lost goods is that of a Bailee. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, the person who delivers the goods is known as what? So this question from that is the Bailment and Pledge. So A it's Bailor, B it's Bailee, C it's Creditor, D it's COT. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The person who delivers the goods is known as that is the Bailor. To whom the delivery is made, it's known as that is the Bailee. So next one MCQ, the Bailee is called, also known as called the what? A it's Pledgor, B it's Pledgee, C it's Guarantor, D it's Lien. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So the Bailee or a Bailee is called what is this? That is the Pledgee. So next one MCQ, Pledgee is a special kind of a what or dash? A it's selling, B it's indemnity, C it's that is the guarantee, D it's that is the Bailment. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So Pledge is a special kind of a Bailment. So next one MCQ, the Sale of Goods Act is what? It's in 1912, B it's in 1930, C it's in 1932, D it's in 1956. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, you may get the short question or fill in the blanks. The Sale of Goods Act is what? So the Sale of Goods Act is that is 1930. So next one MCQ, in the case of warranty, the buyer can A. deny to the pay of the price or deny to pay the price, B. it's refuse to take the delivery of goods, C. it's claim the damages only, D. it's that is the repudiate the agreement. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. In the case of warranty, the buyer can claim the damage only. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, the right of lien exercised by the unpaid seller is to A. it's reject the possession, B. it's the retain the possession, C. it's recover the prices, D. it's none of the above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The right of lien exercised by the unpaid seller is to retain the possession. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, a bill of exchange contains what? A. So this MCQ from the Negotiable Instrument Act. Negotiable Instrument Act. A. it's a request to pay, B. it's a promise to pay, C. it's an order to pay, D. it's an order not to pay. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. A bill of exchange contains an order to pay. So next one MCQ, a bill of exchange is drawn by whom? So bill of exchange is drawn by whom? A. it's a debtor, B. it's a creditor, C. it's a drawer, D. it's both A and B, I mean the debtor and creditor. Friends, so here the right choice or right option is the drawer. So C is the right option in this MCQ. So drawer draws the bill to draw. So next one MCQ, in the same country which bill can be written and accepted? A. it's a foreign bill, B. it's inland bill, C. it's export bill, D. it's trade bill. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Suppose the bill will be written and accepted within India, it's known as what is this? Inland bill. And foreign bill, so foreign bill is written and accepted in more than one countries. So next one MCQ, Indian Contract Act is which year? A. it's 1872, B. it's 1873, C. it's 1972, D. it's 1973. 3. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The Indian Contract Act is that is 1872. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, if the drawer needs money and cannot wait till the due date, so he gets it from the bank, it is known as what? A. It's the endorsement of a bill. B. It's the discounting of bill. C. It's the dishonour of a bill. D. It's the none of the above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. B. It's known as if the drawer needs money and cannot wait till the due date, so he gets it from the bank, it is known as what? Discounting of bill. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, the Negotiable Instrument Act is what? A. It's 1881. B. It's 1882. C. It's 1883. D. It's 1884. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So Negotiable Instrument Act is 1881. So next one MCQ, last but not the least, also it's a vital MCQ. Friends, you may get in the fill in the blanks or true false or one or two sentences in a short question, very short questions. So these 30 MCQs will be very useful and fruitful. So the Limited Partnership Act is what is this? A. 2005. B. It's 2006. C. It's 2007. D. It's 2008. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The Limited Partnership Act is that is 2008. Friends, in separate video we will discuss in detail what is the basic difference between limited partnership firm and a general partnership firm. But Partnership Act is that is 1932. So these are all about today's discussion. So friends, so I will have the request to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So again I am requesting to all of you, if you like this video or lecture, kindly you subscribe it, kindly you forward it, and kindly you share it. I am waiting your valuable comment. Kindly give your valuable comment in the comment section. So far as your valuable comments and suggestions are most welcome for the next video. So once again, thanks a lot to all of you.